Hey guys, welcome to our lesson, The Vegan Diet. If you are new here to our channel, please make sure to like and subscribe for more exclusive weekly content. With the number of vegans quadrupling between 2006 and 2018 in the UK alone, according to research by the Vegan Society, vegan has quickly become one of the most popular diets today. There are a variety of examples as to why this is, such as addressing animal cruelty, reducing our impact on the environment, alongside improving our own personal health and weight loss. This lesson will focus on the latter two, improvement of health and weight reduction. So, to begin, what exactly is the vegan diet? Well, a vegan diet is a plant based diet that includes vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts, and seeds. The primary difference between vegans and vegetarians is that vegetarians only avoid meat, whereas vegans also abstain from all animal source products such as eggs, dairy, and honey. And guys, I think it's also relative to note that I myself am not a vegan, so I will be providing completely unbiased information concerning the diet. Now, as the vegan diet is very restrictive, it is understandable for those who are skeptical about whether the diet is healthy or not. Well, guys, let's break the potential health consequences down into pros and cons. In 2019, a study involving 48,000 adults by Tong et al. Compared the health status between those who ate meat, those who ate fish and dairy, excluding meat, and those who ate neither, so vegetarians and vegans. And what they found was that per thousand people, vegans and vegetarians had 10 fewer cases of heart disease. However, the same study found that per thousand people, vegans and vegetarians had 3 more cases of stroke. So, vegan and vegetarian diets may have a lower risk of heart disease, but could have a higher risk of stroke. In addition, another study conducted in 2003 by Oxford University involving 38,000 participants found that meat eaters had the highest BMIs, while vegans had the lowest within the healthy BMI range, along with vegetarians somewhere in the middle. This is relevant as lower body mass index means better cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure, which are major risk factors for heart disease. However, another con is that fractures may be more common in vegans due to possibly lower calcium levels coupled with vitamin B12 deficiency. Moreover, a 2009 study by Tongsad et al. Investigating the prevalence of type 2 diabetes found that vegan diets were associated with nearly a half reduction in the risk of type 2 diabetes compared with the risk associated with meat eating diets. Furthermore, a plant based diet is naturally high in fiber, guys, which is a crucial food source for beneficial gut bacteria. A fiber rich diet promotes a diverse and stable microbiome, which in turn supports the immune system and maintains a healthy gut, which helps to avoid conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, diverticular disease, and irritable bowel syndrome. Finally, cutting out animal products through a vegan diet will significantly reduce your saturated fat intake. That, remember, is a bad type of fat, which is beneficial as saturated fat is associated with a higher risk for obesity, type 2 diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and overall mortality. Vegan diets emphasize heart healthy, unsaturated fats and good carbohydrates, allowing for a higher intake of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. However, guys, it is important to note that society is ahead of research when it comes to the vegan diet. Regarding its potential nutrient deficiencies, there are doubts, and only now are researchers looking into the long term benefits and risks. Have you tried the vegan diet? How did you find it? We'd love to hear from you in the comment section down below. Additionally, if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So, that has been our lesson, the vegan diet. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson.